Hi, grade 3. So let's finish with our work on verbs. Okay, so you're going to write down, or at least we're going to circle, we're going to think about what are the verbs in this sentence, okay? So this sentence says, Sam looks for his backpack, right? Do you know which word is the compound word? Backpack, that's right. All right, now which word is the verb? So the verb is it Sam? No, it's looks. Sam looks for his backpack. Number 2, they are dancing all over the room. Which is the action word? Action. Which is the action word? That means which shows something is someone's doing something. Very active. So they are dancing all over the room. I hope you said dancing. Now, this word here, are, okay, the to be verb, is a verb. It's just not an action verb because it doesn't say what they're doing. It just says they're doing something. They are dancing. They are listening. They are, okay? Next sentence, number 3. The children love to listen to stories. I hope you love to listen to stories. What is the action verb in this sentence? I'll give you a hint. There's 2 choices, and I want you to think. Which one is it? Is it love or listen? Which is the action verb? Which one says someone is doing something? Which one do you think? So it's love, okay? They are loving something, okay? That's what they're doing. They love to listen. They're not listening. They just love to listen, okay? Number 4. Which word is the action verb? So the sentence says, my mom makes delicious cookies. Is it delicious? Nope. Makes. That's right. My mom makes delicious cookies. Okay? Number 5. Do you swim at the beach? Do you swim at the beach? Which is the action verb? The action verb is beach? No. The action verb is swim. Okay, now we're going to do something in class. We're going to do a very quick, very fast exercise. I want you to get out your notebook. I want you to get out your notebook, okay? And I want you to write the name, the date, Tuesday, March 10th, 2020. So go ahead and write your name and the date. And then I want you to write 4 words, okay? Learn, drive, tell, write. And leave a space. Put a number 1. And then for drive, put a number 2. Leave some space. For tell, put a number 3. Leave some space. For 4, write, then leave some space. And I want you to write 4 sentences. Okay, I will leave this for you to write 4 sentences. and they can be silly if you want. I'm going to write my sentences right here while we're doing class. Okay, so I want you to write learn, drive, tell, write. And I'm going to give you 4 minutes to write sentences, okay? You got to write 4 sentences. It's 1 minute for each sentence. I want you to write a sentence. She learns the what? He can drive what? I will tell what? Okay? Use pronouns. You can use proper nouns, okay? And I'm going to make a few silly sentences for you. So I'm going to give you 30 seconds to write this down, to finish writing name, date, and these 4 words. Okay. I've got a timer. Okay, now I'm going to give you about 3 minutes to write sentences about these 4 words, right? Write some sentences about learn, drive, tell, write. Okay? Now I'll set a timer for 2 minutes. And I'll go write my sentences, okay? So, don't forget, you're writing sentences about learn, drive, tell, write. All right, take some time. All right. Okay, finish up your writing. I'll give you 10 more seconds to finish your sentences. Maybe 1 more minute, okay? Let's see. I'll set a timer for a minute. I have 1 more sentence I'm finishing. Okay, so awesome. Now, let's finish this, okay? So, I wrote some sentences. Emily learns how to make funny faces. Drive. My monkey can drive a car. Tell. I will tell my daddy you are mean. And number 4, write. Will you write about dolls for me? So you can make some silly sentences with this. If you need to finish it for homework, that's okay. Just send it to the co-teacher. Okay? So, last thing we will do is we will watch a video for class. It's a video about verbs, and I will be sending a sheet for homework. I want you to find the Chinese for some of the verbs, 15, from a book, okay? You can use Bing or WeChat Translate or Baidu Translate. You can ask your mom and dad to help when you do your homework. You're just going to find the translation for 15 words from the book that you listen to, okay? It shouldn't be too hard. I will have the co-teachers, Miss Monica, Miss Kathy, Miss Ada, explain or help you if you need help with translation. You can put the pinyin or you can put the Chinese character. I want the Chinese character, but I want to see if you can translate some verbs. There are many, many, many verbs, and we need to start to learn some of the different verbs that are very strange, but kind of funny, right? Verbs like sniff, verbs like wheeze. Okay, there are some really crazy verbs in some of the stories that you will read, and it's time that we start to learn how to look up those words and find the translation, okay, for these verbs. So you're going to take a picture of your homework and send it to your co-teacher, and make sure you take a picture of the classwork that we did today, okay? So thank you guys so much for being with me today. I will see you all next week. I'll be flying into China right now. I'm in the air somewhere. So, I'm really excited to see you guys. I hopefully soon. And I'm excited to see China again and eat some Chinese food, okay? So I will see you all so soon. Do your homework and listen to this next video. It's a really good book.